danger. Like, what's up, danger?
Hey everyone! You've probably seen those seamless editing effects before. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make one yourself. And trust me, it's going to look amazing. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, you'll need a tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Reverse and zoom. Click New Project and drag your chosen clip onto the timeline. Select the clip and open the pan and zoom feature. Drag the playhead to where you want the zoom to begin and set the starting zoom screen. Then move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to finish, adjust the ending zoom screen, and click Confirm to apply the effect. After that, make a duplicate of the clip. Now, select the second clip and apply the reverse effect. Let's preview it. And that's it. Super quick and simple. You've just created a smooth reverse and zoom effect. If you'd like to make your video longer, just repeat the same steps. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.